Come Mona, have some breakfast.
I drank tea earlier. I am not hungry.
You should not be angry at me or at breakfast because of Muskin.
Second wife is like an abusive word. In her wretched fate, only hate and humiliation is written. Sometimes I wish of the sympathy that is given to Azra.
It means that my love is not enough for you.
Only one kind of love is not always enough. Sometimes we want to be loved by other relations.
Well, but your love is enough for me.
Which is why you anxiously go to park to pick her up. She wants to kill your child and you silence me.
Mona, please. I have said it many times. Azra is not the way you think she is. You misunderstand her. There are already too many things in my mind. I am already feeling unwell and you.
Why? What happened?
Nothing. I just think we need to be kind to Azra now, and because I am responsible for her loneliness, so I should be taking care of it.
But I need to know what you are feeling.
I am feeling that we should not mistreat her. That's it.
Oh. How have we been mistreating her?
Mona, I have explained to you what I was feeling. You need to understand one more thing. That I can never leave Azra. Never. You and Saad are part of my life. And Azra have equal rights as you. And I will not ignore her anymore. I hope that you will support me.
Of course. I have loved you. You. Whatever you wish. I will do that.
I should go. Thank you. Goodbye. You need to understand one thing. That I can never leave Azra. Never.
Are you loving your face today? I was thinking. My face has seen a lot of troubles. My eyes have seen true colors of many people, and my shoulders have bear so much burden. My ears have heard so much abuse. And these hairs, they have been pulled with cruelty.
Thank God. You have realized your pain.
How could I not realize? Everybody can feel the intensity of the pain.
Then you should overcome this pain.
You are talking about strange things today.
Does he love you?
If he really loved me, he would not have married Mona.
I am talking about Kaiser.
I don't know. Maybe he does.
Do you believe that?
Love can easily be recognized even by a blind man.
Did he ever express to you?
Through his actions.
Then this is true love. Otherwise anyone can say, I love you, nowadays.
He is an unknown man. He is not mine.
Then make him yours. Do you remember? You used to narrate this one poem. Write me in the lines of your hands. If I am really yours, then make me your destiny.
And I can never do that. I cannot even think about that.
Then think about it now.
Where have this new trouble come from? I had always feared that Shahmeer will be drawn to Azra again. This fear did not let me sleep for many nights. But my Saad is my strongest shield. I am the mother of Shahmeer's son. And Azra. She is still a barren woman. But anything can happen in this world. If Azra persuaded Shahmeer, he will snatch my child away and divorce me. What will I do? I remember how Shahmeer was completely crazy for Azra. They say, men never forget their first love. How will I stop him? If he considered my love to be a temporary affair, I will perish. How will I stop him? No, Azra, no. Now all that was needed has happened. By suffering the abuse and taunts of the entire world, I have made Shahmeer mine. Now I will not let her win this time. I have to win. For my own self. For my son Saad.
Oh God! In my every grief, I have sought your help. And in every pain, I complain to you. Now life has shown me all its trials. After all these situations, my heart is at calm. I remember I used to cry and pray for the safe and secure return of Shahmeer. Yesterday he said to me that he can't leave me. He can do anything for my sake. I felt that it doesn't matter to me anymore. But I have only one sorrow left. If Shahmeer really wanted to do second marriage, at least he should not have cheated me. He should not have married my own best friend. Oh God, give me patience and courage. Give me strength and more patience. Show me an easy and peaceful way. I want to live a happy life. Oh God, please help me.
If I am able to go from here, I will make a home at a beautiful place, on the coast of a beautiful lake, where there is greenery, where birds chirp everywhere. I will do anything to persuade Azra and take her with me forever. How are you here?
I am so happy, man.
What happened? Have you won some lottery?
Not mine but yours. At last God has listened to Aunt.
What? Is visa approved?
Yes. Yes, and a strange coincidence also happened.
What coincidence?
Let's go inside, let me tell you.
You have come down. Azra must have taunted you and hurted you. I knew. She must have told you that Abida's sister's divorce is the fruit of her own cruelty. She is such a bitter woman. I could not sleep at night, thinking about Abida's suffering and grief. I was so hurt. What did Azra say? I know she said, "You will know the pain of a broken home after Abida's divorce." Even though Shahmeer has done nothing like this, nor he will. You know, Azra only likes to play victim all the time. You shouldn't feel bad.
She is right. We should open our hearts. If we had been generous, we would not have seen this day. It's our fault.
Tell the truth. The news is confirmed?
Yes, my friend. I have just talked to visa consultant and came to you. I wanted to give you good news. That your asylum is approved. Then mother called and told me that there's been firing on Akbar's car. The brothers were together. They're two men as well. They were shot so brutally that they died on spot.
Oh God. It is true. When you give us trials, you test us very harshly. And when He bless us with ease, you make our paths easy from all sides.
That's it. You should prepare to leave now. Akbar and his group are finished. Now think about your future.
I have planned.
What?
First of all, I will call mother, spend some time with her, and ask her to talk to this mad girl, and persuade her that nobody can love her or please her more than Kiza. I cannot leave her among these heartless people.
What are you saying?
Yes. If she takes divorce this month, then until her waiting period ends, I will wait for her. Then I will marry her and leave her to my mother. I can never leave her among these heartless people.
She already said no to you. How will she agree now?
Leave that to me and my mother. I have to persuade her. Hello.
What are you doing?
Exactly what you wanted.
And what exactly did I want?
That we should live in the apartment. Now I am thinking that it is right.
Mona, how can we shift now? Abida's sister is still traumatized.
That's what I'm saying. Muskan lives in this house in her room. Hina is with mother. How can Abida's sister live in mother's room with her children? He's a small child, his things are all over the place.
You are right. But
as long as Shahnawaz is in this house, we don't need to care if there is no man in the house. You know we will. Leave Mahi and Saad here and go to office in the morning. And we will stay here in the evening. That's it. We only need to spend night at our apartment. And if you still have a problem, then Mahi and Saad will stay at the apartment. Before you come home, I will go and make Saad ready. We can come here together after you are at home. Look. These children used to come here to meet their grandmother. They will live here now. We cannot make them sleep on the floor like passengers. We have to give this room to Abida's sister.
you are right. Okay. We will leave shortly. Ask Mahi to help you. Put this luggage outside. I will change and come.
I didn't know Shahmeer will change like this. Neither he comforted me nor gave me any courage. He did not talk to me.
Don't be sad. It has become that wretched Mona's routine. She must have thought, now his sister has come with children, why should I take the burden?
Mother. Earlier when both brothers were taking care of the entire house, we never said thanks to them. Why will they stand by us today? And Abida's sister, you should thank them for giving you their own room rather than leaving at Azra's room.
Well said, daughter, well said, very good. When your sister was in her own home all happy, she was fulfilling all your wishes. You didn't think of anything as wrong, all was well. Now you have all hopes from your brothers. You are blaming your sister as well as your mother, that I was strict with my sons.
Mother. You think for yourself. Whatever you want from my and Abida in-laws and husbands.
Have you ever given half of the same to your daughter-in-laws? How can you compare us? Okay, let's accept. Azra's got a co-wife. But Muskan. What was her problem?
Yes.
Shahnawaz's brother helped her prevent the problems. Azra and Shahmeer love was sacrificed, in order to please mother. And you are worried that how an ordinary-looking woman like Rihanna have ruined your home.
How can I not be worried? The whole world is saying, my neighbors are calling me and saying that what did Sitar think? He left beautiful wife to live with any ugly one.
A man only needs love, Abida's sister. You never considered him worthy of that. And Azra's sister never got a chance to shower her love to Shahmeer. We had forced Shahmeer brother towards Mona.
Stop it now. Instead of healing the wound of your sister and mother, you don't need to give us lecture, understood? Look at your sister.
I am looking. And I am learning too. Just tolerate me for this one night. I have decided.
What have you decided?
Tomorrow I am going back home. I will see whatever happens. But mother, I have promised myself that I will keep my relations and fulfill my duties.
What happened? You look happy today.
I have got all the joys. I was waiting for Nadeem to go and tell you at once.
I am happy for you.
Will you not ask of what happened?
It doesn't matter that what is it. It is enough that you are happy.
Is my happiness beloved to you?
When your loved ones are happy, it makes us happy too.
Don't talk like that. I will not bear one more happiness. Mother is coming.
Really? It is so good.
Will you meet her?
Yes. Why is she coming so suddenly? Is there something special?
Yes, there is something special.
What is it?
She is coming to meet you.
सारे जग नू तू छड़िया ते यार तू मेरी गलियां आईया रवे नाल तू मेरे में फेर भी कट्टा जुदाइयां दुहाइयां 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 तेरा मैं दुहाइयां सारे जग नू तू छड़िया ते यार तू मेरी गलियां आईया रवे नाल तू मेरे में फेर भी कट्टा जुदाइयां
You have made a good decision. Always stay happy and cheerful.
I want your forgiveness more than your prayers. I know I have broken your heart so much.
Thank God you have realized. And only God can forgive someone. I have nothing in my heart against you.
Take this, my daughter.
What is it?
This is your jewelry. You should keep it safe. Always remember one thing. A girl is only respected by her in-laws because of her jewelry, and this very jewelry is her biggest support. Always keep it safe. Understood?
You were right. If there wasn't this jewelry today, maybe Azra's sister would have been divorced. Mother, if I have to live there, I will win their hearts. It should only be given to its rightful owner. Please take a look at it once. This is all your jewelry.
Why would I look at them? One thing has gone. So it is gone.
Sister, mother says that jewelry is strength of a woman. And uncle has given this all to you. You gave it to us when we needed. You gave us a favor. You own this jewelry, which is why I am giving it.
Are you going back to your home?
It is said that when you have pure intentions, you reach your goal easily. I messaged him that I am ashamed of my mistakes and want to return home. Then what? He said this is your own home. You can come whenever you want. But you have to apologize to my mother.
They are very good people.
Yes. Truly. Very good people. You see. We created so much troubles for them. But still. They didn't close their doors for me.
When destiny open ways for you, no other doors can be shut. Leave it. May God always make you happy.
Hello.
Hello. Maybe you are our new negbor.
Yes, you are right.
You live here, right? Yes, yes. When did you shift? It had been closed for so long.
Yes, it's been few days. Mother just came today to meet.
Come with her to meet us.
Yes, yes, why not?
Do come and meet us.
Sure.
Thank you.
Nice meeting you.
Do you know him?
Who?
Oh, this boy you met, Kaiser.
How do you know him?
Let me tell you.
And also Azra.
We have to convince her. Out of fear of this world, she is shying away from her happiness.
She is still Shahmeer's wife.
On papers only Shahnawaz. It is a curse. It is insult, nothing else.
Muskan. You know she is my sister-in-law.
No. I am making you remember that she is your dead uncle's orphan. A lone and supportless daughter. Shahnawaz, she is your sister.
I don't understand anything.
You knew everything.
Yes, that. Yes.
And you told me nothing.
Mother, what would he tell you? Situations were so bad, how could I think? Such love. That could neither provide security, nor I could not make a relation. What could I tell you?
And you didn't tell that girl anything.
I told her.
Then?
She said no clearly.
I want to meet her. For the first time, my child has asked for some happiness. I will fight with the world to bring it.
Azra. Come. Shahnawaz wants to talk to you. Come sit.
Yes, Shahnawaz brother.
Whatever has happened to you. For that, I and Muskan are very sorry to you. We were afar and could not realize the truth. I was very furious because that Shahmeer married Mona. The pain and injustice you have suffered. If Muskan didn't tell me, I could have never known. In such situations, it is better for you to separate from Shahmeer.
You were not at fault in this. You have always supported me. I will never forget your favors all my life. All these things. You have only listened. But I was the one who faced all of it.
You are my sister. I never differentiated between you, Hina and Abida's sister. I will never do that. Which is why, as your older brother, I want to advise you that you should free yourself from this nameless relation. Hello.
Hello.
My mother came.
Really? This is very good.
She wants to meet you.
Meet me.
Please come to meet.
So your name is Azra. Very beautiful name. You are beautiful yourself.
This is your love. I doesn't feel like I am meeting you for the first time.
Hearts connect with each other. A mother who has lost her daughter. She sees her daughter in every girl.
What happened?
It is happening opposite for the first time. On such occasions a girl brings juice or tea. It is happening opposite here. A boy is bringing.
But opposite is always wrong. But what can we do? We can only laugh.
Things doesn't happen like that. We have plenty of time to do it later. Drink juice.
I knew this will happen. But he never listens me.
She said no without giving any reason. She doesn't want to marry anybody, let alone him.
Then why she took divorce?
You will not understand, my son. Marriage has broken her trust. When a woman's trust is broken by a man, she neither remains in his shadow, nor she trusts any other man.
If this is the case, then I will wait. Let's see how long she will not trust me.
This is my decision.
Why are you doing this? Look, I will make you another portion above if you want. You will be provided with everything. Is it all right?
That's it. Nothing else?
Azra. In a week. I will spend one day here and one day there. Fine, or do you need anything else?
This is exactly what I don't want. I loved you with my whole heart. I don't want half Shahmeer.
Do you know what divorce means? You think it's a child play? Do you not fear?
I have spent dark, lonely nights upstairs. I don't fear anything now.
Listen to me very carefully. Whatever happens, I'll never divorce you. I will never.
Aunt, are you watching this? He did second marriage. He lives with his second wife. I don't even have a child. She also has a son. And he doesn't want to divorce me.
This is our upbringing. Otherwise, the way You have insulted us by creating unrest in this house. Someone else would have divorced you already and sent you away.
Wow, mother. I am trying to console her, and you are encouraging her by saying all this.
If you cared about her so much, you should have thought about her before marrying again.
My mind was lost.
All of this is a fruit of your own actions. You mistreated her and remained stubborn. Then you did second marriage and kept it as a secret from everybody. Now that both your wives are creating problem for you, so don't invite us to make solutions for you. Understood? Let's go, Abida.
Shahmeer. I know it very well. Whatever wrong has happened in this house, you alone are not responsible for it. Muskan and Azra had to suffer a lot of grief in this house, and they were not at fault. But our wrong mindset was a problem.
Abida, sister. This is.
It is someone's sigh that affected us secretly. Shahmeer. You don't have daughters, but you have sisters. By inflicting pain on someone's daughter, how will you get happiness?
Only 1 week is left until you leave. Are you still waiting for her? She will not say yes.
Mother, what shall I do? She has blocked my number. She is not coming in front of me.
You should understand. Not every desire can be fulfilled.
Mother, I will keep her happy. Very happy. She will have no complaints from me. Her past will only remain as a nightmare, and nothing else.
Do you believe in yourself?
Yes, very much.
Then go carefree. Give her time, so that she can believe in your confidence. Then she will come for sure. But right now she will not be moved by your any promise or word.
Why have you come here? I told you not to come.
Look, I am not here to make you believe in my affection. I am not even here to tell you how your life will be. And what are my plans, after you agree.
It is good that you are not telling me all this.
I am going. I wanted to tell you this. And as soon as I can, I will call mother to stay with me.
May God grant you success.
Remember me in your prayers.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
I am making her sleep for so long. She has only slept now. She likes you.
She is Azra's doll. Azra's doll.
She is really Azra's doll. Azra. What have you thought? After your divorce? How will you spend your life alone?
I will not spend it alone.
Then? Muskin has told me what Khizr wants. But you forbade him too.
Yes.
So now?
Hina has favored me by giving my jewelry back. Now I can do whatever I want for myself. I was thinking of getting admission in LLB and, after some years of hard work, I will get somewhere in life.
Right. So you will be a lawyer.
Yes. When I can fight for my case alone. Can't I fight for others too?
It is not easy to spend this long life all by yourself.
When you have a goal in your life, then you don't remain alone. And I do have you with me.
And I will always remain with you.
Whatever needed to be happened has happened. There's no use crying over it. It has become your past. Now you need to look ahead. Think of your children.
My children are my life. But I cannot get over this regret. I don't understand. How do I go back in time? I have apologized to Sitar and his mother. But my heart is not at rest.
My daughter, you will be at peace soon. Don't worry. God will settle everything. Pay attention to children. Bad times will pass soon. We have to wait for the good times.
Mother, you
remain seated. Shahmeer called. He was telling that his son is very unwell. That woman make him eat unhealthy things. He was feeling pain in his stomach. He was vomiting. He is admitted in the hospital. Poor Shahmeer was crying.
May God grant him health.
Ameen. Azra. Forgive me, daughter. Please don't give us ill wishes.
I have never given him ill wishes. God forbid, I'll never do that. God will help them. Don't be sad.
Please forgive us from your heart. Forget what happened. Bury the past. Think about your future with a cool mind. What do you want to do?
Mother, I want to study further. I want to work. I want to do a good job for myself.
Daughter, you can do whatever you want. But I am asking you about Shahmeer. What do you want? Do you want to live with him? Or you want to leave him? He is very regretful. He was asking me to tell you that he is ashamed of what he has done. And he realizes that he has hurt you very much. Tell me, what do you want?
You tell me. What should I do?
Hello.
Mother. Mother, I have been punished for my sins. I am punished for what I did to Azra. Mother, my son has died. He has died. My child is no more. He died. Mother, my beloved child has died. He has died.
Oh God. Oh God. Oh my Lord, what have you done? Oh God, what kind of trial you has put us in? No. No. Oh God, forgive me. Forgive us. Please forgive us for what we did.
Please forgive me, Azra. I know I have broken your heart. I have inflicted you with so much pain. I know words can never heal your wounds. For this wish of a child, I don't know. Sorry. I am really sorry. I promise you, now I will do whatever you wish.
I never wished any harm for you. I know that. Sometimes in grief, I said so many things that I should not have said. I hope God can forgive me for my mistakes. I have forgiven you, Shahmeer.
सदा मैं मन्या तू मेरा ते मैं तेरिया हुण दस मैं किवें वंडा अपनी जिंद जानिया
Mona, I wanted to.
You don't need to say anything, Shahmeer. Because fate has declared its decision. And fate has only written loneliness in my life. And for you, Azra. You should go to him, Shahmeer. I have already tried. And what could I achieve? Nothing. For me now, there is nothing that I can call mine.
Mona.
Time has arrived, Shahmeer, to part ways.
Can you ever forgive me for my infidelity?
I did.
निकलिया बेवफा तू अखा किसी होर नाल लाई